Alright then, the carburetor's cleaned out. New inline fuel filter, and cleaned out the glass bowl on the fuel filter. I'm going to put a little splash of gas in there because there's going to be no gas in the carburetor yet, and then we'll spin her over and see if she starts. If she does, we'll take her for a ride and see how she goes. Well, let's take her for a ride. Sounds like it's still a little rough. I got some points at the store, so I might pop that distributor cap off and have a look at those. But let's take her for a ride first. Okay, let's take her for a spin. I didn't hear her cut out. I can't really wind her up because I got this pickup truck in my way. And he's going to turn. Maybe after he turns I can kick it down a little bit and see how she goes. But before, when I'd wind it up, she'd start sputtering. That sounds pretty good right there. I like that. I think maybe we can live with that. That's good news. That means we get to go on the rumble after all. You know, I laid awake. I didn't lay awake, but I guess I dreamed about fixing this in my sleep last night. By the way, I'm still in second gear. This thing's got 6 gears. A lot of y'all don't even know that. Somebody called it a 3 on the tree. Yeah, technically that's true, but it's actually a 3-speed overdrive, so it's a 6-speed transmission. This is one of those early Borg Warner 3-speed overdrives. That was called a T something. I don't want to. I know my 5-speed Borg Warner is a T5. I don't remember what they called this transmission. But anyway, it's a precursor to the big 4-speeds that they ran in all the GTOs and Camaros and stuff back in the heyday of muscle cars. It's a heck of a transmission. I'm really proud to have one because to me it's a classic piece of American technology. In fact, I'll be honest with you, if this had been an automatic, I wouldn't have bought it. One of the things that, one of the big selling factors for me when I was looking at this car was that 3-speed overdrive just made my eyeballs roll around in my head, and I just said, oh yes, I gotta have that, oh yes. So, anyway, geez, there's not much else. I think what I might do, my gas pedal isn't anchored down solid on one side, and I need to pull all the fuel lines away from up underneath and weld me a new plate in there to attach that to. But what I might do is just rig something up temporarily to hold the foot of that gas pedal anchored into place while we make our little trip today. So I think I'm going to take this back to the house and do that, and then we'll start thinking about what we want to carry with us on the Rat Rod Rumble today. Maybe I'll wash the windshield and stuff like that too. Woohoo! It's going to be a fun day. Looking forward to it.